Hey y'all, Mike here from allamerican.org. A few years ago I put out a video on coffee making supplies that is made in the USA, and there's been a few updates since that video that I published nearly 5 years ago, so I figured it's worth an update today. We're going to go category by category across a variety of different supplies that you would need for making coffee. Everything from coffee makers to mugs, filters, and a whole lot more. As always, we've done really comprehensive research on allamerican.org, so make sure to check the links in the description below to check out all of the brands that we could find that are making coffee makers, filters, mugs, and all of the other stuff that you would need. All right, let's start off with mugs, and I'm going to keep this section particularly short because I've published some recent videos on pottery made in the USA, as well as dinnerware that I published recently that has a lot of great companies that also make solid coffee mugs. But just to name a few to get your research started, East Fork Pottery out of Asheville, North Carolina is making some really amazing kind of basic ceramic mugs that look really minimal and beautiful in your kitchen. And then Bennington Potters out of Vermont makes some great stoneware options as well. And then a couple more, Farmhouse Pottery out of Woodstock, Vermont, and then Stoneware & Co. out of Louisville, Kentucky are a couple more brands to check out. But again, links in the description below to our recent videos and all of our written research on coffee mugs so y'all can choose something that fits your vibe. All right, let's move on to the main piece of equipment, which is your coffee maker. Now, there's a few American-made options in this category. A lot, honestly, are just assembled in the USA with some domestically sourced components and some stuff that's sourced internationally. Unfortunately, you're really not going to find, especially in the high-end kind of espresso maker, coffee maker realm, a lot of products that are 100% American made, but we do have some decent options across the spectrum. First up is AeroPress, which I'm sure many of y'all may be familiar with. They're based out of Palo Alto, California. I actually have their Travel Go coffee maker here. These are great little coffee makers that are particularly good for camping and when you're on the go. So I store this with all of my camping gear and have a nice cup of coffee when I'm out on the road. They're super compact and pretty easy to use, honestly. So if you are looking for something that is a little bit more manual and something that you can take on the go, check out AeroPress. Next up is Next Level Brewer Co. These folks are based out of Cole Camp, Missouri, and make two manual brewers called the Pulsar and the Pulsar Mini. And this brand is one that I did not cover in my first video. What's unique about these guys is that they combine immersion brewing and pour over into one device. There's a built-in valve that gives you control over the flow, so you can dial in how fast your coffee's coming out. They're definitely more involved in terms of the process. It's not set it and forget it, but if you really like a pour over, Next Level is a great American-made option. Next up is Pure Steel. These folks are based out of Austin, Texas, and their goal is pretty much to eliminate all plastic from the brewing process. Their coffee makers are made from 304 medical grade stainless steel, and they're actually not available yet, but they do have a big wait list. So I found these guys a few months ago, and they are shipping out their first order for folks who have pre-ordered them pretty soon, and they should be open for just kind of general purchase over the next few months. So keep an eye on Pure Steel. Next up is Bunn, which you're probably familiar with. They're based in Springfield, Illinois, and while not all of their products are made in the USA, they do have some good kind of traditional electric drip coffee makers that are assembled here. Their Speed Brew line is probably where I'd focus for electric drip coffee makers, and they also do make some thermal coffee makers as well. And then in terms of espresso makers, there's really not a ton of great options that are at least assembled in the US that are affordable for home use. Now there's a few high-end espresso makers that are assembled in the US, folks like Astra and Concordia Beverage Services, but they run in the multiple thousands of dollars. So unless you're a professional coffee shop or you just have a lot of budget for a really high-end espresso maker, there's again really not a ton of great American assembled options out there. And then in terms of coffee grinders, this is also a really tough category. The only one that I could find is from Red Rooster Trading Company, who makes a manual coffee grinder that they've been producing in the US since 2010. The sourcing though for this manual coffee grinder is really solid. They source the cast iron from foundries in Kansas and Illinois. The wood handle is made by an Amish artisan in Ohio, and they use other domestically sourced parts for everything else as well. All right, moving on to coffee filters and starting with paper disposable filters. The two companies to really focus on here are Melita and Tupke. Melita filters are based in Clearwater, Florida, and they've been at this game for a really long time. I think over 100 years making coffee filters. And then Tupke is another good paper filter option. Both Melita and Tupke offer a lot of bulk options. So if you have an electric drip coffee maker and just need some basic paper filters that are made in the US, check out those two brands. And then if you want to skip the paper filters altogether, Gold Tone is a really good option that makes reusable stainless steel mesh filters that you just stick in the top of your drip coffee maker. They've been making their reusable filters since 1992 and have a lot of different configuration options that fit pretty much every major brand. All right, just to round this out, wanting to run through a few major brands in the coffee making industry and where they're actually made. Probably the two biggest ones that most people associate with coffee makers are Keurig and Mr. Coffee. Unfortunately, neither of those options are made in the US. Keurig is made in China and Indonesia primarily, and Mr. Coffee machines are also made in China. And then Nespresso is another popular option. Unfortunately, they're a Swiss company, and all of their manufacturing either happens in Europe or they outsource some of their manufacturing to China as well. And then Cuisinart, another popular option. Most of their manufacturing happens in China and France these days. I have write-ups on pretty much all of these brands on allamerican.org, so I'll link those investigations in the description below for y'all to check out too. All right, y'all, hopefully this one has been helpful to get your research process started for coffee making supplies. Let me know in the comments below if y'all have any questions, and I will see y'all in the next video.